20 Amazon products that are going viral with women right now, and the last one is actually insane. This is a hands-free drink dispenser. No lifting heavy jugs, no spills. Just tap your cup and it pours milk or juice perfectly every time. This is a twist chicken shredder. Drop in cooked meat, spin once, and it's shredded beautifully. This is a milk carton handle. It gives those heavy cartons an easy grip handle so pouring becomes smooth, clean, and spill-free. This is a mini delivery van ride-on toy. Moms are buying this like crazy. It's adorable, safe, and kids can't stop driving it. This is a 2025 finger guard for chopping. Protects your fingers while slicing veggies. It's a tiny tool that makes kitchen time stress-free. This is a quick tape cutter. Cuts 18 strips instantly. Perfect for gifts, crafts, and holiday wrapping. Saves so much time. This is a cleaning brush. Gets deep into those impossible spots. Grout lines, sink edges, window tracks. This is a reusable silicone strap. Bundle cords, secure lids, tie yoga mats. It's one of those smart tools you'll start using everywhere. This is a premium document organizer. Keeps every important paper, bills, medical forms, warranties, neatly stored in one beautiful place. This is a privacy cover spray. One quick mist hides your address on packages. No markers, no smudging. It's so clean and easy. This is a wrapping paper organizer. No more crushed rolls or tangled ribbons. Everything stays organized and ready for next season. This is a one-press butter slicer. Cuts perfect slices instantly. Great for baking, cooking, or those little breakfast moments. This is a mini mushroom bookmark set. They peek out of your book like tiny sprouts. The cutest little joy boosters. This is a portable personal blender. Smoothies, protein shakes, iced coffees. Make them anywhere and rinse it clean in seconds. This is a 3-in-1 window cleaning tool. Spray, scrub, swipe. Mirrors and windows look spotless instantly. This is an LED makeup bag, built-in light, compact size, perfect for touch-ups at work, in the car, or while traveling. This is an electric makeup brush cleaner. Cleans and dries brushes in seconds. No more waiting overnight. This is a foldable shoe organizer, fits up to 32 pairs with clear covers and dividers. Your closet will finally look like Pinterest. This is a mini Canon humidifier. Adds cool mist, soft glow, and cozy vibes to your bedroom or desk. And finally, this is an electric air duster. It blasts dust out of keyboards, fans, everything, in seconds. This isn't just a cleaner. This is your home's reset button.